Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block and report someone in Google Chat on mobile. So open the chat apps or Gmail apps and you can select in your chat list the name of person, for example. So at the top, tap the name of the person and then you can tap on plug and report. So if you use a Google Workspace account and the person is in your organization, this option is blocked. Optional to report the person for abuse. You can check the box next to also report. If you use a Google Workspace account, you can only report people outside of your organization. So just select block. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.